I saw in Joe Biden's policy proposal this idea of getting rid of the 1031 exchange,
Mhm.
which I know has huge tax advantages, right?
Yep.
So I'm curious, what if it is taken away, what the implications might be on real estate investing?
Yeah, so let's first give context to the entire 1031 exchange. Let's talk about what it is, and then we'll give kind of what I've seen history of it. So the 1031 exchange, if you read our book, is something that we leveraged a lot in '06. It allows you to sell one asset and then do what's called a like kind exchange into something bigger. And your ability to do that, because you're basically flipping off the IRS, right? The IRS is not getting the tax of the capital gains, which they would normally have, right? We went from a house to an apartment, house to an apartment. So it was a key element to our success. It was a key element to a lot of our future, right? It's something we plan on leveraging. So losing it would be a problem. So now let's step back and go look at what Joe Biden said. First, I want it to be clear to everyone out there, this is not a new idea. In fact, our current president, who is a real estate guy, brought it up as something he would look at in 2016's election. So to think this is a Democrat or a Republican idea is, I don't know, I guess misguided, but everything today is political. So I get it. I do think it is something, if Biden were to be elected, he would consider. Absolutely. I think it is something that I think it's something that'll have to be looked at, because one of the things that is certain, folks, is we've already printed $3 trillion, with the last stimulus, and we're not done. And unfortunately, our federal and state and local governments, their only way to produce revenue is taxes. So I believe the real estate industry is in for some tax changes going forward. Would it be the 1031 exchange? I kind of doubt it. What is the 1031 exchange? It really helps people get bigger. And what does the federal government need more of? What does state government need more of? It needs more affordable housing. So if you were to eliminate the 1031 exchange, you're going to basically reduce the ability for clients or people to get bigger. And I don't think they want to do that. Will it be considered? Absolutely. Is it possible? Absolutely. Is it likely? I think there's other things that are better to do than the 1031 exchange. And again, remember, folks, if Trump talked about it in 16, Biden talked about it in 20, this is not a red, blue, Democrat, Republican thing. It is a loophole that not many people understand. It sounds good to people out there, but the federal government wants more affordable housing, and I do not see them taking away the 1031 exchange. That's my opinion anyway.